We are rolling. We are rolling in the new location. New location. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I need a mirror. Okay, I guess I'll use this mirror. Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. I'm in a new location, as you can see. I just switched the camera direction. But today I'm gonna play with my last quad from my Shop My Stash, August. Right now I am basing my eyes, trying to see if I can take away some of the excess oil that I have because my eyelids are very oily. They're hooded and oily. So today I'm trying something different. I'm going to cover my base with a transition color and see if I get a different result. I'm using a small mirror, so hopefully what I'm seeing is correct. But it is nice to have you here watching my videos. I appreciate you very much. Thank you all for stopping by. I love doing this. I love coming here, talking to you, help motivate you, and at the same time do my eye makeup for the day. So I do appreciate you very much stopping by. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope your day is going very well. And if not, I pray that the rest of the day will be better. So now this is the first color, transition color. I just put it all over my eyelids, over the base that I put, trying to have less oil coming through. I'm going to use a dark color right here. The more oil, and this is my outer corner or my outer V. The more oil that comes through when I put my eyeshadow, it usually changes the color of the eyeshadow. If it's a dark eyeshadow, it makes it look lighter. So I'm trying something different today. Let me see if that works. I'll let you know if it works. So far it's looking good. I'm opening my eyes like this so I can get into the fold. This is an all matte look. All the colors in here are matte. And this is an Avon quad. So far, I must say that me covering up my base with that lighter eyeshadow looks like I have less oil on my lids, which is a good thing for me because I always have oils, lots of oily skin, but I will see how it works during the day because just doing it here and now cannot tell me, but during the day I will find out and I'll let you know if it really worked. I want the darker color to take right here and fix the outer corner coming into the very hooded, puffy, fatty part of my eyes. I'm even able to blend without the color just smearing. So I must start setting my bases when I put them down now, because I can blend like this without the color going anywhere else. The color used to just erase. Now it stays. So I might have to try that trick again. I just decided to do it today, and so far so good. Setting the base is looking pretty good for me now. So I'll see how that works out as the day goes by. I'm going to take this color and put it right here. Let's see if it makes a difference. I don't see a difference in it. Maybe put it right here and see. Okay, much better. But now what you do to one eye, you have to do it to the other. So I'll put it right here like I did the other one, and then I'll take them, put it in the tear up. Not much of a difference. I'm using the Mocha 370 L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour wear powder, but today it also comes with a sponge that's right here, and it has a mirror over here. I have the sponge. I'm going to use the sponge today. I'm going to use it all over my face, and I did a comparison with another color. If you'd like to see that, check my YouTube channel and look for the comparisons that I did with the hazelnut. But I want to use the sponge today and see how that works out for me. I'll use the sponge first, and then after that I'll take the brush and sweep over it to see how that works out. So I know it's too dark for me already. You notice I didn't put any under my eyes because I'm going to take the lighter one and put under my eyes. Hazelnut is going under my eye because it's lighter. Everything always looks crazy when you first put it, but once you fix it, it will come out good. Use another brush to take care of under my eyes. I am back with the complete look. I use 4 colors, and these are the colors that I use. This one right here, I put all over my eyes so I can cover my base. So because my lids are very oily, so I'm trying to prevent the oil from coming through and changing the color of the makeup. So I tried that today. So that's what's all over my eyes. And then these 3 colors, mostly these 2 colors, outer corner and inner corner. But it is an all matte affair today. Everything I have on is matte. This is what the palette looks like. These colors with this. And the brand is Avon. It's an all matte palette, but this color right here has just a little bit of shimmer, nothing major. You can hardly see it. but it's beautiful. Nice colors, they apply well, I like it, and this is the final look. Today's word, encouraging word, is destiny. What do you think your destiny is? Let me know in the comments. And again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying have a fantastic, fabulous day. Bye!